ruins and desolation stretching as far as the eye can see. This is all that remains of Agdam, an Azerbaijani city once home to some 40,000 people before it fell to Armenian forces in 1993. Today, the only building still standing in Agdam.
Azerbaijan. This is the road we choose. It's the road we follow. This is the road to the future. We look forward and discover new horizons. Aim for the top and see new heights. We construct, we build, we create infrastructure. We put to sea and set sail for new shores. We push ahead, speed up, and take off. We celebrate the sunrise, bask in the sun. We make the world around us a better place to live by introducing new technology and implementing greener energy. We dream big and see our dreams come true. We explore our natural resources with care. We fashion new opportunities to make our lives more exciting. Our past is forever in our hearts. Every house has a story to tell, and every stone a legend to share. We find joy in every new dawn. We find inspiration in the hues and shapes of nature. We rediscover the world around us and happily welcome everyone to Azerbaijan. We remember our poets and wise men's names by heart. We hold their legacies dear. Our journey is only just beginning. There's so much to experience and see. Explore Azerbaijan, a road into the future.
Asker!
gün gələcək və bugün işğal altında olan torpaqlarda qaldırılan Azərbaycan bayrağı azadlıq meydanına gətiriləcəkdir. Və bugün gəldi. Bu tarixi günün şahidi bizik, Azərbaycan xalqı.